You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and we've landed on a Nestle Aero candy bar, and it says New Bubbly Bar in the top right corner in red. And I'm guessing it's mint. Smooth milk chocolate filled with minty bubbles. You would think that I would spend some time researching, but once you start researching, then you start seeing other people's ideas, concepts, answers, and opinions, and I just want to go in on my own and learn about it and see what I see. So I do like it. I do like the packaging. I like all the bubbles. Let's take a look. Store cool and dry for best before date. And milk chocolate. All right, some little information there. There was a label there. We had to peel that off. So it's aerochocolate.co.uk. And recently a lot of people have been, well, not a lot of people, a few people complain that I say .co and not .company.uk. But to me, it's .co.uk. All right, that's what I'm going to go with. Company's not spelled out. I don't know why I went on that little soapbox there, but it's just amazing. Actually, you know why I went on the soapbox? Because no matter what you think on a video, there's always some type of comment that you would never, ever expect. Like, I don't like how you held that package, or something like that. Or I don't like how you say CO. You should say company. But you say .com, don't you? And no one says luckypennyshop.commerce. Right? Okay, enough of that. Let's see. Peel here. All right, peel here. I'm going to do that. Ooh, my bar's crushed. It was handled so delicately. Let's see if we can save it as whoa, man. Now it's exposed itself to me, the insides, and now I know what it looks like. So I'm even more anxious to taste this now. So I don't have to cut it, but I will bring in something to store it in. So look at that. From here I could smell the mint. Let me break it again. And again. And then let's see if we can extrapolate this green layer. I think it's tool time. Look at that. It definitely looks airy. Let's give it a shot. Oh, I'm missing the bottom. I like it. Mint flavor is really good. It's creamy. There's no crunch. It's just a soft, creamy consistency. See? Now I gotta eat that. That's a good bar. Now, I'm not a big fan of mint and chocolate. I don't know why. I like mint in vanilla ice cream. Mint chocolate, that is. But it's not my favorite. I'll eat it. So, there you go. It's the new bubbly bar. The Nestle Aero. And it's hard not to keep eating it, so as to not annoy anybody, I'm going to end it there. It says Aero on the bar itself. I'm ending it there, and I'm going to eat this and say thanks for watching. It's really appreciated. And again, lots of green items this week. So this was the Aero bar with the green packaging. So thanks for watching. It's really appreciated. Check that description for more videos. And thanks for watching. Later. If you want to find this item, click the link in the description area below the video. You can also watch more videos in this series by clicking here. Thanks for watching. And always remember, if you see a lucky penny, pick it up.